we will learn to use has, have, had. These are verbs in sentences. We will make short sentences for you to understand. Whenever you have something, you possess something, when you own something, when you have something, you will say, I have a pen. I have a pen. This is in present tense. I have a pen. We have books, plural. We, including the first person I, we have books. All of us have books. We have books. You have a car. You as a person have a car. She or he has a toy. Third person has will come. He has a toy. She has a toy. Single. He has a toy. She has a toy. He has a book. She has a book. The dog has a tail. The dog has a tail. So third person will use has in present tense for things they possess. They have cars, plural. They, third person plural, many people, they have cars. So if I repeat again for you, all the tenses except third person singular will have. I repeat, I have a pen, we have books, you have a car, she has a toy, they have cars. Now this is in present tense. In past tense, it becomes slightly different. Here we use had, past tense, now which is not there. I had a book. Now I don't have that book. In the past, 1 month back, I had a pen. Or 1 year back, I had a pen. Now, pen is not there. We had books. We had books. You had a car. Now, the car is not there. So, you had a car 1 year back. She had a toy. She had a toy. He had a toy. They had cars. They had cars. When they possessed it, they had cars. In the past tense, not now. In the past time, not now. So in present, you will use have and has. And in past tense, all will be had. I had a pen, we had books, you had a car, she had a toy, they had cars. These are simple ways to make simple sentences with has, have and had verbs. Thank you for watching this video.